also subtract. So right now, take a look at these two. Fist of 5. How comfortable do you feel right now being able to subtract these two problems? Hold it up. Show me. All right. I'm seeing a lot more confidence. Well, let's take a look. I'm going to show you a couple. First, can we subtract this problem the way it's written? No. We need to find a common denominator. So we have, what's the common denominator going to be? 6. All right. Did we do anything to the denominator to make? No. Okay. So that stays the same. Okay. What did we do to thirds to make it? Times 2. Right? What you do to the bottom, you? Now, the way it's written, can we subtract this?
Yes.
10, 6. Take away 8, 6 is?
2, 6.
Are we done?
No.
No, they're both divisible by 2. So I'm going to write an equal sign to show that they are equivalent. But just simplify. 2 divided by 2 is 1. 6 divided by 2 is 3. When you get down to the simplified version, what must you do? Yes.
You have to do that?
Yes. Yes. You will need to simplify. 6th grade standards do not demand it, but I know that for you to be successful in 7th grade, you need to have it done by 6th grade. Okay? All right. Number 2. What common denominator do 2 and 4 have?
4.
Say again?
4.
4.
That one stays the same.
All right, so like you said, this one stays the same. And this one we increased it,
2 times.
multiplying it by 2. Okay. 7 times 2 is?
14.
Now can we subtract?
Yes.
Yes. What is the result? 9 fourths. What's wrong with this?
Improper. It's improper.
Good, yeah. So we have actually 2 groups of 4. 4 and 4 is 8, so we have 2 wholes and 1 left over. What do we do to the final answer?
Circle it.
All right. Thumbs. I'm sorry, fist of 5. How are we feeling now? All right. On a scratch piece of paper. All right, let's give it a go. With your shoulder partner, I want you to try these 2. With your shoulder partner, I want you to try these 2.
Can we use a whiteboard?
Yes. If you want to use a whiteboard, you can. Common denominator do 2 and 5 share. 10. So you rewrote 9/5 as 18/10. Okay. What we didn't write is we multiplied the bottom by 2. What you do to the bottom, you do to the top. Okay, and rewriting halves as tenths. So we're going to scale up by multiplying by 5. What you do to the bottom, you do to the top. Now can we subtract them?
Yes.
All right. What is 18? Am I going too fast?
No.
All right. I'll slow it down just a little bit. What are 18/10 take away 15/10? Say again. 3/10. Stand and sit once if you got it right. We need a little practice. All right. Let's do number 6 together. So we have ninths and thirds. Okay, I'll give you a minute. First mistake of the year. All right.
You said that the last time. You said that on Friday.
5ths and 10ths. So what common denominator do they share?
10.
10. Okay. This one stays the same. So we increase 5ths. Scale it up. So we have 12/10, take away 11/10, which is 1/10. Now are you feeling a little more confident?
Yes.
All right. Okay.
Stand
And
up.
stand and sit if you got it right. Holy cow. All right. I'm feeling better.
I got
Okay.
it right, but then I erased it.
Now,
Alright.
what common denominator do 2 and 7 share? What common? 14. And again, we're scaling up. Okay. Times 2. And times 7.
7.
Okay. We end up with 14ths. 18 14ths. 21 18ths. Take away 18 18ths is 3 14ths. All right. remember to come back to the function so that you don't get trapped. You do adding when you should subtract, subtracting when you should add. Hey, we did number 5 together. How about you and your partner do 6 and hold it up when you're done? So, let's look at the multiples of 3 and 9. What multiple do they both share? 9. So 3 times 3 is 9.
That one stays the same.
And this one stays the same. I notice some of you are not rewriting this one to the right. If that's a step you want to shorten, that's okay. But know that keeping it lined up, coming back to the function, will help you from making simple mistakes. What does 16 take away? 12? 4. And when you add and subtract, have you noticed that the denominator stays the same? Okay. All right. I'm going to stop here. Your homework tonight